Welcome back, beautiful people, to the fifth project. In the fifth project, this is the third exercise or the third request. Today we'll build the Caesar Cipher. Caesar Cipher is like Morse code. Morse code is dots and dashes, and Caesar Cipher is shifting of the letters. So for example, if you want to shift letters like 5 spots, A will be E, right? And E, you will display E, but E means A, right? That's Caesar Cipher. Let's jump right into it after we drink one good. Oh man, I love cold coffee. Step one, wait a sec, wait. I love cold coffee, hot coffee, medium temperature coffee, normal temperature coffee, stale coffee, fresh coffee, whatever coffee that you have. I love all of them. In step number one, okay, we have this code. We have the alphabet, which if you remember this thing, I remember this thing when I finished the code, not finished the code, when I fixed the code on Hangman, where I had to go -1 life when the user inputs the same letter twice. This is the problem that I remembered. Okay, and we have an input, the direction, encode and decode to decrypt. So this is encode is to code the word, decode is to check ourselves. Your message, whatever we want to text, and shifts is just the shift number. All right, let's copy that into our PyCharm. The first to do we have, actually, I think I will copy all of this in PyCharm. Okay. Good. 3 to-dos. To-do number 1, create a function called Encrypt that takes the text and shift as inputs. Okay. Just 1 second. Just for us, I want to shorten the text until I finish this challenge. Actually, I'll leave this. Okay. Let's see. Encode or decode. Encode the messages. Hello. Shift numbers 2. Okay. Now we have to create a function called Encrypt. That takes the text and shift as inputs. Okay. To do number 2, we have inside the encrypt function, shift each letter of the text forwards in the alphabet by the shift amount right? And print the encrypt text. Okay. So we have to work with okay, shift each letter of the text forwards in the alphabet. So this thing yeah, four letters inside the text. So for each letter inside text, actually I think I have to make a range. Let me think a bit. I think I have to go. Let me see one thing here. Okay, alphabet items. Okay, let's deconstruct this problem and make it in easy steps. And the to-do will do just that. So shift each letter of the text. Okay, so for items in range of that and text, good. For each one in there, we have to shift, which means that we have to use the shift. So for each item, for alphabet at the position items plus shift. And this is the, let's call this forward will be not shirt, shift. And here we need another parenthesis. So let me see if I done this correctly. So will be for each item in there, alphabet items. So we'll take each one of that plus the number that is there. Actually, is the number that is inside underscore shift. Shift each letter of the text forwards in the alphabet. Forward by the shift amount and print the encrypted text. So for each item, inside text, forward equals alphabet item plus. Okay, let me see what happens if I print forward. Okay. At this point, we can't say anything there. And here I will just say, I can say anything. I'll say, no, let's say Todd. Shift amount just 2. Okay, we have nothing. Let's think why. Okay, we have nothing because I have to say over here encrypt, and inside encrypt, inside text equals with text, and inside shift equals shift. Now we should have something. Todd and shift 2. Okay, we have, you only can concatenate string, not integers. Okay, let's think. What is a string? Forward. This thing, no, that's an input. That's a string. Yeah, this is at the line 12. So text is a string. Shift is an alphabet at the position items plus inside shift. Okay. I don't understand why do we have an error, because I only work here with numbers. Those are numbers. If I do it like this, then it will work. Shift amount. Oh man, this is a string, dude. Alphabet at the position item is a string. Okay, let me think something. Okay, I just want to see what happens if so target deposition. Okay, let's bring target and see. Okay, I like what I see. Now we'll say okay, let me understand why do we have position 3. That means D. So I've said there for each letter inside text 3. Okay. Target equals the alphabet dot index letter. This will get me the position in the list of the letter. Okay. If I print the message here, I should get the position on each letter. 19, 14, 3 and 3. So now that we target that, we can with the inside shift, and here we add target. This one we have to new letter equals. Okay. Wait a second. It worked well. If I place 2 here, it will display me F. Hell yeah, it works well. Now we have to figure out... Hmm. Why? Hmm. Wait a second, dude. I mean, this is the correct one. This is the text, dude. Shift each letter of the text forwards in the alphabet by the shift amount and print the encrypted text. Shift 5. Hello, shift 5. Age will be shifted 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be M. E shifted should be G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G. Okay, now if we place, what was the word? Hello. I'll just place he and 5. MJ, see? It's the same thing. Displays me the same thing. Wait, 5. This is... I don't get it. I don't get it, man. This is really interesting. It's weird because I know how to resolve this problem, but it's weird from the perspective of that simple things are still weird to me. For instance, I know that I fixed the problem, I've done what I have to do, but as you can see, I have trouble displaying this thing in one line. This is really weird. What happens if I place it here? Message, the same message, shift 5 times. You see, now it displays me the second time, okay, but the first M, let me see what happens now. Ooh, I think this is good. Not all. E and 5. Yes. Yes. See, this is the only thing, indentation and the position, because I know how to resolve and how to do it, you know? Okay, now let's see what is the... If I play Toad, what's the message? How many times? 6 times I want to shift everything. Zudge! Okay, let's check. We have the letter T. If we shift it 6 times... Let me see what happens if it shifts 11 times. List out of range. That happens when the list is not... When... Wait. This thing. The letter is not seen here, at that position. Now, I can make another for here. For loop to reset the this list. Or let's make it bigger. And try again. Todd, and I make it 20. Next. Perfect. Okay, let me see something because I want to check if I place it 6. Okay, let's check for where is the t. So we have 3 over here is Z. O shifted 6 times is U. And D shifted 6 times is J. This is perfect. It works. Okay, now let's see. Shift each letter of the text forwards in the alphabet by the shift amount and print the encrypted text. We've done that. What happens if you try to encode the word civilization? How do you get the index of an item in a list? I know this because I checked it. I needed that. We've done that. What happens if you encode the word civilization? That value in 13. Wait a second. Encode. So okay. We go 6. cool. It works. Call the encrypted function and pass in the user inputs. You should be able to test the code and encrypt the message. Okay, I've done that. Okay. Let's go one more time. Todd. Zhuzh. All right, let's see. Okay, perfect. Even though, let me see one more thing. Direction. Direction is not used. Okay. Perfect. That's it. I guess we've done the first step is complete. Guys, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.